Hello, Dipor kaham jotono so haino hai chung nongi buskang ma phai pir ka tewaisha kok ka hai si chung tini kaisa bus rohori tongo kaisa bus rohori tongo chung tini Ryan bus passenger karo 45 jona tongo and over by hingke chung obona puila fast bus chung rohonai for this second wave lockdown ni and finally dino bo borok to hatte borok honai so je borok thana mu sungai rok tongko norok haidi counter open oro and here our president kini president asuja koro bobo counter no oro tabok so sing obo lamr lajak samung kalene hene so chini president normo tebo sukurwit in details or tebo saikhanar nai normo ang president jaru
Hambai, jalan bagai. Jatuh no di perkaham. Jatuh live night on night on no. Seng Nia wo sini DSF unit UCC. Kung ni bus rohaka. Tai aboni sekarang bo kung ni bus tangsa tong UCC unit ni. Total borok 4 bus tangga tahu bay. So UCC wo sini borok asal kerikian on no. But Shillong Kungman of Sono Conte Kaika. So how many baggage and Hino Heights and again some Hino Heights Step Manafika, Barohanan Bagay. They stranded things I don't know, they were second wave or Nani Bagay. So Santini Saita Samoya bus department, Titan Titamo. So the Jetana on the baggage of Suri Lagi, Zatebro Zatona Kaham Kringus, so we wait on Zanjan Lupungo, Zanjan Nogo. They tabuk sengmia ni simi counter khuluka but sengpila pro student no simi rohana ninu masuk laimani but sengno kema borong no kondi khaja hai ni seng tabuk families plus bonobo workers rongno plus malkum sotonai rongno sotono no sin borok zero spend ringzang no seng rohonai seng official work joto official work seng khai renai ni vehicle ni bus hoite ni joto kiso official work seng khai nai but seng financially ke seng abu ke seng help khai maya so bus fare ang kana rong ni nong nai je thangai rong ni no but seng norong no joto kisi official work seng abu joto khai re bai norong no so norok sono contact khai di sini pay show bahai no contact number ja tongani norok ano anytime call khai mano norok seng hai nai wasu lajak 30 no last bus rohana ni nai because seng go this way bo le no ko phanya ni wasu tong lai joto no so because of the go like no bialang to like joto no sana ni tini ni tonga ni joto no joto jaga no okano imala ya ekdom straight ni tongka so aboni bagai sung no go tangule 5 paisa ni was tonga he ni sung 30 no last bus khuni khungtam khumburge khumbrei sung bus rohna ni sung wasu laja so norok ni contact dudi norok sung khana ni bisingo ba no contact khai ke sung contact khai dalken chanai sung no bagai sung bus book khai ke sung norok khai manai so jotono kam ke tongbai di so covid belaikan kirmaisa don't take lightly because recently sini Shillong ni pastor bahai no covid angko weekend ko ka so belaikan kirmaisa sa covid so sungbo kiriwin tongo hebono haina sung step manafika sini borong help haina bagai so ang koina jotono no please contact khai singno khana ni bisingo aga 30 ni bisingo sono contact khai di so that sung jodi 30 no sono contact khai ga ba sung 14 15 no phone take bus rohai jamar sung try khai no to ko sung wasu lajak je sin borok je oro stranding jak borok nogo thambai sak sung nogo thangya sung jon se last bus sung nogo phainai ni sung wasu lakya so amoni bagai no tini bahai na sung student of 45 student tini thanai 45 jona total borok chaito war ko tonai so borok no norong ni surima jagar ko mutu khai borok no borok kam ko sobi de munai tai jotono bagai suri di because of COVID-19 bagi kirmaisa so asuk no hambai jotono
and chini khorang rok khnai mai rok da kai norok please comment box o comment khai di norong ni sungmung te jotono queries rok sungaro norong reply nai che chini number o haino hai a number jak arono contact khai di tafono haino hai oron dia sai refina number ki
ani contact 8132 851 774 8132 851 774 obani contact nora contact khai mano
belai hambai joto chini live video night tong ma bagai so malai finai te oisha so kerengi tong di sing bai thank you